Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Alana, and today I am going to be harvesting some lavender seeds. I'm out in my lavender garden, or what's left of it. It's really grown up and full of weeds, and my husband's ready to throttle me because I have not weeded it this year. But in my defense, I had birds nesting here, and I didn't want to disturb them, and then the weeds kind of got crazy. So I am going to redo this garden. So I'm out here to collect some seeds, and I thought I'd bring you along and show you how I do it. Collecting and saving lavender seed is actually very simple. We have really good luck growing lavender seed indoors. It's usually about 100% germination for us, and I have lavender planted everywhere in every little pocket of all the gardens around our place. So the first thing I do is I wait until it's quite late in the season. It's October 1st right now. We're in Ontario, Canada, growing zone 5B. And even though some of the lavender plants have actually rebloomed again, a lot of the plants have old flower stalks on them, and I wait until they're really dry. So I'm going to turn you around and show you how I collect these seeds. So all I usually do is just bring out a jar. Today I brought out a white enamel pie plate so that you could see the seeds on it. So I honestly have no idea what variety my lavender is. I believe it's English. It could be some hybrid, I don't know, but I've been collecting seed for about 7 or 8 years, and I don't know if they might be a Hidcote or Munstead. I'm not sure. So here's a plant right here. You can see it's still green. The leaves are still green, but then we've got a lot of the flower stems growing up. So each one of these is a dried flower. That's where the little flowers were. Those little pockets will contain the seeds. So all I do is just kind of shake it out. Sometimes I only get 1 or 2 out of one of these stalks. And there's a seed, there's a seed. That's just the dried flower casing. There's a seed. There's 4 seeds right there. Tiny little seeds for quite a large plant. So after that, I just collect them and put them in my jar, and I continue on. Sometimes if you just twirl the stem, the seeds will come out, but you get more out if you just kind of break them up. It's kind of tedious, but you know what? It's worth it. When you've got seeds and you can plant your own. That's why I like to leave it until these are quite dry. Once they just fall out of the seed head, you know they're dry enough. These seeds are very light, so make sure you have a jar or something to carry them in so they don't blow away. Here are the seeds that I've got so far. It doesn't look like a lot, but I had to stop because it started to rain. So I will show you what I usually do is, even though I know they were from a dried out flower stem and they were quite dry because it's late in the season, I still like to spread them out on a plate just to make sure that they are dry. So even though there's not a lot of them here, if you think about that one seed, that's one plant. So when we plant them, we usually put about 2 or 3 in each little pot. But still, if you think about that, there's quite a few plants there. So I'll go back out tomorrow when it's sunny, or maybe the next day when things have dried up a little bit, and I'll just keep going back and doing the same thing. So I'm just going to leave these out on the table for about a week, and I just wrote what they are just in case someone was going to come along and throw them away on me, and then the date that they're collected. And then after about a week, I'll put them back in a jar or in a paper envelope until we're ready to plant next year.